Hey everyone, imagine you're about to shift gears, but suddenly the car hesitates or refuses to engage properly. You check for trouble codes and boom, P0911 pops up. This code indicates a problem with the gate Select Actuator Control Circuit. If ignored, it can lead to complete gear shifting failure. In this video, I'll show you where the sensor is located, the common causes, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0911? DTC P0911 points to a malfunction in the gate Select Actuator Control Circuit. This actuator controls how your transmission shifts gears. When this circuit fails, the actuator loses control, leading to delayed, harsh, or even failed gear selection. Common symptoms of P0911: delayed or rough gear shifting, check engine light on, car stuck in one gear or neutral, transmission warning light illuminated, and limp mode activation. Sensor and component location, very important. Gate Select Actuator location, mounted on the transmission housing near the shift control unit, found in automatic and dual clutch transmissions. Transmission Control Module TCM location, typically located near the battery or inside the engine bay. In some cars it's under the dashboard behind the glove box. Wiring harness and connectors. Location, runs between the gate Select Actuator, TCM, and fuse box. May be routed along the transmission housing or under the car. Check your car's service manual for the exact location. What causes P0911? Faulty gate Select Actuator. If the actuator motor burns out, gear selection fails. Broken or disconnected wiring, defective TCM, blown fuse or relay, or loose corroded connectors. How to fix P0911? Check battery voltage, inspect wiring and connectors, test the gate, select actuator, scan for additional codes, and replace fuses or relays. A quick fix that can restore function. Final words: if you ignore P0911, it can lead to complete transmission failure, leaving you stranded. Fix it early to keep your car shifting smoothly. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car fixes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.